Bring your dreams them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight, tight to me. You bring it tight, tight to me. Hey, you desire.
I just came up the bus. Now time to find this place. I think it's right here. Oh, it's right here. Look, soon as I come up the bus. It's right here. I'm so glad I'm finally there. Where are my friends? Cheese bread. They have cheese bread up there, so. Let's see. 250. I don't want that one. Hold on. So this is the they're branding of with a coconut roll and it's $3. Come on, buy the one. Everyone wants. Okay, two cornbread, yeah, because this I think is the cornbread my aunt used to buy. I really care for cheese bread. Let me get two cornbread. Oh, they have this over here. I don't know what it means. Chippies. Chippies, how much you get today? We finally reach. I finally reach. Oh, they have my grace mackerel. Wait, I'm going to see Aki. I want Aki. Wait. Oh, the peanuts. Ah, peanuts. $13 for this. Oh, it's actually cheaper than the supermarket. The chicken one. I'm not gonna have different the other container. Oh, it's a cup soup. Chicken. Alright. The Cersei. Yeah, Cersei. I think look at Mr. People. Jackass corn. And my extra crunchy banana chips. Send me on like I'm thinking no laminate this. Coconut cookie. Can I get one of this? Oh, see, look at butterfish cookie in there. Oh, wait. I forgot all about these. How many minutes is this? How long? Oh, this one. This birdie. Twist. I don't know this.
It's about
Yeah, I think. Wait a minute. Let me sit on it.
I just here.
Sweet tea.
This name.
I just look familiar. But you know, look like I put this button separate. Come here, I don't want to buy what I was just in here. I want months. Why should I sell it separate? No, sir. You know, sell it, you pull this button separate. Oh, the cereal? Oh, it's behind me. Oh, sorry. Oh, sit here. Oh, come here, say well. Oh, sit here, so. Come here, say. Oh, I get one, because you know, so it's tough and hard. I don't want more. Come here, like that. You don't really like it like that. Nah, like. That's nothing you're buying here. I want Aki though. I'm not telling you. But the Aki though, yo. What's your Aki? I want to do it. I'm not like, for buy. Black me, I am buy. Ah, beer junk. I hope I'm going to try this one because that's what I have my ring season left. They have Cersei, turmeric, yeah, and they have a back seasoning. It's like it's a $5, and they have a small one. Oh yeah, these one are $5. I don't know how much this one. I don't see the price. But they have, you probably have to say better pack. It's a Spanish town. I understand. Why not a better pack one day? Maybe because it's not better pack. I guess I don't know. See, it's a Walmart. Some gang is a Walmart. I want to see that was Food Bazaar. I have chocolate. I have Alaska chocolate. Chocolate French vanilla. Coconut and nutmeg. So what is the chocolate one? Try this one. $1 please, no? I didn't see that. I didn't even notice that they have boom. Boom. Which one is that? I didn't really like this one. They have cows drinks. I'm gonna get on box juice. So, oh, the cow drinks are $1, you know. Mango peach, pineapple. Oh, pineapple lemon. It's not bad. Come on. How much is sugar? Sugar. Sweet. One thing about the Jamaican drink, they're sweet, they're sweet, they're sweet, they're sweet. Why not so sweet? Coconut water. The Milo right here. And you loaded on this if you don't know. The bug Milo. Very compassionate. I see my senior to people. 14, 18, this bag of steam. That's huge. Right here. Of all the great seasonings. Got the seasonings in the bag. Season to the bone. $5. It's not bad. So, how much size? I think it could be bigger. Oh, that bigger one there. Chicken seasoning. Oh, that looks nice. The Cersei. You got the sauce up. Oh, buy this one. The sauce up meringue. Oh, that must one taste good. Yeah, the cow's ketchup. Right here. They got this in the oats. Clean oats. I didn't even know they had this in the oats. What else? Oats of it. I'm not buying no oats. They have lots on it. So like, oh, the Milo in their bag. And if they have the drinks over here. Tea. Nano juice, yeah. Cornflakes. I got a Mountain Peak coffee. It's $8.69. Wow. Got this one over here for more than. You see the duplex. National. For the banana butter too. We got this. Cinnamon. Butter. The Jack mackerel. Mackerels. See juices in there. Bag juice. The chiffon butter. Wait there. Used to make butter already do on the apple bun. Bag juice. I'm gonna probably put it in the fridge. I feel like this is. How much is butter? And the bag juice? Like the loose?
For the single one, the bag is $10.
Okay. The milk, the sausage really smell like back home, not like, but prices is crazy. Oh, it's a $12. My mother I can't sausage. A long time later I can't sausage, so I'm gonna have to buy one. Oh wait, did I buy sausage? I think. Green plantain. Here. Prices here. See pot there. Dutch pot. I look, you don't want to buy this butter right now. $8.50 for this, no? $8.50. The bag juice, them. I might get 2 bag juice. She said $2 is bag juice. So I get, $1. The loose one, though. I might get 2 bag juice. I need more. Time call. The bag ones are $10. They have other stuff. Goat meat, mutton, oxtail, chicken foot, pork, cow skin, tripe, cow foot. Oh, they have cow foot. And they have parrotfish. Yo, finish. You don't now.
Oh, Jesus. Drive down there.
Oh, Lord.
Drive fast.
I'm something else. I'm bust at the backside. Yeah, goodbye, Sue.
Yummie, Catherine, good afternoon.
Yo, I live right in the house. The way I'm tired right now. Oh, I just want to eat my patty and go lay down. My back is killing me. The patty and cocoa bread. One is the spinach. I can't I don't know what I'm saying spinach. But it's a bag juice. I buy 3 bag juice for there, $1. This is my favorite. I love this color. I just love I don't know what flavor this is, but I always love green bag juice. This one tastes good too. And of course pineapple. Okay, 3 bag juice. We're gonna put it in the fridge. This is what I was gonna. This is what I'm about to do my patty right now. Patty and cocoa bread. Juicy full. I never see the other box juice. What name? I forgot the brand. Wait, this is the one they have. I forgot how much I pay for this one. Let me see how much for. Juicy full. $3. You know what? Something told me it was more than $2. I don't know. I swear. When I came out the store, I'm like, how much? I wonder how much this was. Something just told me it was close to $3. I didn't know it was actually $3, but I just know it was over $2. But damn, I ain't buying this again. One time only. This shit was $3.11. That's crazy. This bring back memories though, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know if it's a box there or either box, but either way, I want it in box there. Okay, let's have a bite of the pate. The pate. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I think you said the frankfurter is $28 too. I was like, what? I think it's a big pack. I don't think it's a regular pack. Oh, thank you, Lord. The pineapple is like the fruit. Overall, all the fruits in the Caribbean just taste different from the food here. The pineapple juice tastes different from the pineapple juice here. Like really refreshing, and it is. And it's sweet, but it's not sweet. It's like Caribbean sweet. Compared to up here, you can actually taste how sweet the pineapple juice is here. Oh my god. I'm not going back over there until probably next month. Open it up, so yeah, and we stuff inside. I remember you stuff in there, some garbage in there, stuff the garbage inside, and I put the box. How you do it again? So yeah, see, you put it on so. Oh my god, that's I think so. That's alright. I have a bit so yeah. No, I feel like it's just a mash up more than this. It's like on regular. Also, something I miss. Maybe it's just to squeeze it on hard or something. I don't know, but I know it's something like this. No, this looks weird. Something I'm missing. I don't know why I'm missing. Something I'm missing. But I know it's supposed to look like that. I supposed to squeeze it on, so also. Did I do it right? I don't remember. You can't go so far, but man, I know it's something like this. Right? That's how we do it in Clarendon. But I don't know about no other parish. But I feel like it's supposed to be squeezed down more. I don't know. Maybe I do something wrong. I don't know. But this I remember. Oh my god. I miss those days, man. How exciting. Oh, I think maybe I saw. You see how it just came naturally just like that just now? I don't remember. Maybe it was like this. I don't remember. But fighting. Just like that. Clock you. Oh, I remember those days. Those were the best childhood memories ever, man. Up here, please, don't compare to Jamaica. Never. childhood memories in Jamaica is the best. I feel like, I don't know if I did it right. I feel like I just want to keep this just to have. Alright. Morning, y'all. Today's Sunday morning. And I'm just not showing you what I got from the place I went to the other day. Thursday. I don't eat nothing. The only thing I ate out of was the bread. This bread is so soft and nice. Oh, I had for breakfast yesterday. And Aki, $13.99. I remember these. My aunt used to sell these in her shop. The Power Star. These, and I think she sells cheese snacks too, but I don't want the cheese snacks. She definitely sells tiras and the ballers too, right? I think so. I only got one ballers because I love ballers, but I like the tiras more. But I do love these though. You know, I just feel like getting one. And these biscuit, the coconut biscuit. I think I remember these from in high school days. I didn't see these in a while. This is the shape of the biscuit. I didn't see those since I've been going back to Jamaica. Maybe I'm looking for it, but when I saw it the other day, I was like, oh, okay. I love these. I had to get 2 of these. I love it. Jamaican chocolate chip cookies is so much different from American chocolate chip. The taste is just so different. Like, because I think it's real chocolate chips in every, and they don't got no contain, no, what's that thing called? Biogeneric stuff in there. It doesn't. So, and this coconut cookies. I love coconut cookies. So I got another coconut right here. And I got 2 tea biscuits. Why not? And I don't think I've ever tried it before. I just feel like I want to try it. So it's French vanilla. So I'm like, you know what? Contains milk and sugar. And yeah, just add water. Okay. And I got 2 buns. I asked the lady if they have. I saw coconut bread, but I didn't like how it looked. I didn't like that bread. I forgot what bread it was. It's in the video. I don't remember. But birdie coconut cornbread. This is my aunt's favorite. Like she used to love buy the pack with the 4 nights, and that's what I usually get to when I go down there. Cause I love the cornbread. The cornbread is. I'm gonna get 1 police button, but I was never a big fan of police button. Just one. Me even see where's something name? I got 2 duplex. Okay, well, this is duplex, and I got this one. I got 2 extra crunchy. That's it. That's all I got. But this fish came up to total. Yeah. If I knew I drink the box juice. I see. I drink it. I have it right here. The box juice is in the fridge. It's not even a lot of stuff. It's just the price of stuff, man. The price of things be like, but I feel like I can't wait to eat one of these. Is it microwave me on there? Am I microwaving this? It's still soft. I don't need to microwave it. Oh yeah, the police button. Where that one name? Rough Tops. Yeah, Rough Tops. I saw Rough Tops, but I don't care for Rough Tops. I ate it. like, was it last year or the year before? And I'm not a big fan of Rough Tops. I really like Rough Tops like that. You kind of remind me of I put this button too, with the texture of like the hardness of it. But I think this is harder. The police button is definitely harder than the Rough Tops. Tough, but yeah. This is it. Yummy Caribbean. Go there. Look at the list. That's it for $53. That's crazy. But anyways, I got my Aki, even though I have to pay $14 for it. It's cool. I got some saltfish from Food Bazaar because I was not gonna buy that. Okay, honestly, I wanted to Jamaica. Maybe want the Jamaican saltfish, but jeez, the price is. But I have to go there one day and actually get it though. Like, let me eye and just buy it. But that could last. And it's gonna give the Jamaican taste. I should have got it.
Say you're back from which part? Tell her in a gun dip tag. Like Chinese war, so the clip tag. Show it up and make a fall from your disc tag. You know one on a disc tag.